guys, we're at Fuddruckers and we're going to do this game.
And welcome to Reagan's toy review. Well, maybe. We are trying to win this awesome Angry Bird right here in this game called Stacker. And there's also an awesome one right here.
Yeah.
So, Reagan, you want to hold it? Alright, so we're going to put the money in. Da-da-da-da-da. Here we go. Hopefully. Well, we got to get the money in first to play. There we go.
Okay.
Alright.
So, how do you play this game?
So, we got 2 credits. And here we go. You want to hold it? You hold it and keep the screen
I
in
hope
focus.
you do it, dude.
Watch your fingers so you don't want to hit there.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, Reagan's going to film, guys.
This is
Here
the
we
one
go.
that you push right there.
Oh. Woo. Not doing so good. Oh no, I lost. Alright, we gotta try again.
Man, this is really hard to get wrong.
That might be the reason why this thing is full of prizes, because nobody can beat it.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. There we go. Oh!
Woo! When it goes in the middle, you have to push it. You have to go all the way to the top, guys.
Oh, no.
You need 2 quarters. You only got 1.
Woohoo!
Oh.
When it goes in the middle, you have to push it. Woohoo! Oh man, it's going faster. You have to push it when it goes in the middle, dude. Woohoo! We're on to the top, guys. Oh! But
So close.
on to the manager, guys. Oh.
Come on, let's go.
Bye.
So close.
I told him you weren't going to win. You had to have Uncle Derek.